Hello everyone, my name is Manushree. I'm studying 9th class in Matnan High School, Vijayawada. I'm here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 29 June 2021. The two topics that were given in our today's editorial page are a case of no case and war of words. Today we'll discuss the second topic in our video, that is war of words. So just let's have a small look on a case of no case. The trend of imputing seditious design to criticism of the government is disturbing. Okay, means by keeping the trend or by keeping anything that which is for the agitation, means which is for like it's implementing for them, and we have to not strain. So here we get some of the few words like the government is distributing some of the design impediments which is necessary for us, and this is not for this year, it has been coming from last 2-3 years onwards. Okay, fine, let's get into today's topic. War of words. Government should require Twitter to follow rules but not be vindictive for political reasons. Okay, so the government needs a Twitter, means so we all know Twitter, right? So government needs the Twitter to implement, okay, or for the safety measurements to follow some rules, and not for the political reasons. Except for the political reasons, government needs and it requires the Twitter. Okay, see here the word vindictive, it means vengeful, revengeful, or unforgiving. Vengeful, revengeful, or unforgiving. Okay, this is meant by vindictive. Okay, IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad censure of Twitter after it temporarily blocked his account upon receiving a notice for copyright violation last week is valid, but only to an extent. Okay, see, there was a copyright acts like a criteria or criticize a criteria that has taken place for the IT Minister Shankar Prasad. So here, see, the word censure, it means condemn, criticize, or castigate. Censure, it means condemn, criticize, or castigate. Okay, so IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad, recently his criticism has taken place in Twitter, and after that they temporarily blocked his account. So, by receiving a copyright notice on his account, they blocked his account, and it is only valid, they have blocked the last week, and it is only valid for some of the extent. Later it gonna release again. Okay, so Mr. Prasad was right in calling out Twitter, as he did over a series of tweets, for not giving him prior notice of the blocking as required by India's IT Act rules. Okay, see, so he was saying that, means he was conveying something, that he was calling out the Twitter, so that as he did more over series on Twitter, and he gave many tweets, and he's asking why they are not giving the priority notice for blocking, and also it is required by the India's IT Act rules. Okay, the blocking was triggered because Twitter had reportedly received a notice for violations under the Digital Millennium Copyright Act, filed by the content in question being A.R. Rahman's song Ma Tujhe Salam. Okay, see, So the blocking of their accounts was because in Twitter was because they have received, and they said about the notices that the violations that were taken under the DMCA, which has filed the content in the question that was being, there's a question that was being in a mind that they have done for A.R. Rahman's song Ma Tujhe Salam. Okay, see here, DMCA, it means Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Okay, Congress leader Shashi Tharoor, who is also the chairman of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology, replied to Mr. Prasad, saying he had a similar experience. Locking is a foolish response to a DMCA notice, disabling the video, which they've now done, should be enough. Okay, see, so the Congress leader Shashi Tharoor, who is the chairman of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on the Information Technology, he also replied to Mr. Prasad that he said he also faced the similar experience, who was for locking is a foolish response. Okay, it is a foolish response to a DMCA notice. So they disabled the video, which they have done, and that should be enough for them. And so like this, Mr. Tharoor has written to Mr. Prasad. Okay, having raised the issue, however, Mr. Prasad went on a needle's attempt to make the issue look more than what it really is. One of his tweets in this regard was this: "It is apparent that my statements calling out the high-handedness and arbitrary actions of Twitter, particularly sharing the clips of my interviews to TV channels and its powerful impact, have clearly ruffled its feathers." Okay, see here the word arbitrary, it means capricious, whimsical, or random. Arbitrary means capricious, whimsical, or random. Okay, and high-headedness, okay, it means to use the power and the authority. Okay, means to do like illegal things. Okay, high-headedness means use of power and authority. Okay, fine, let's get back. So they also have raised an issue that Mr. Prasad, he went on needles to attempt the issue that was more look like, means more it is really one. And one of his tweets, okay, so one of his tweets regards that it is apparent for the statements that was from the which uses the power and the arbitrary. Okay, so high-headedness means to use the power or authority. So using the power or authority to do some actions on the Twitter. So they have shared some particular clips of the his interviews, Mr. Prasad's interviews, to the TV channels, and also its powerful impacts. There will be powerful impacts, right, if there's something wrong. And they also have clearly ruffled its features. Okay, see here the meaning of the word ruffled. It means disarranged, annoyed, confused, or untidy. Disarranged, untidy, confused, or annoyed. Okay, fine. It is quite likely that this is just a case of a global platform struggling to adhere to the laws of multiple jurisdictions where it has sustained substantial interest. Mr. Tharoor's point in this regard needs highlighting. He tweeted about getting a notice from a UK-based organization citing @Twitter's role as a service provider under a US law, points to the challenges of @Twitter India's operations in India. Okay, see, means this is the case that was generally, means it is just like a small case which is a global platform, and there were also many struggles which were to the loss of some jurisdictions. Okay, and even for contenting means to conveying, okay, conveying the tweets. So Mr. Tharoor, he has pointed his regards according to the needs of the highlights, and he tweeted that the UK has based an organization citing that, means saying at the rate Twitter with Twitters, okay, which is a role of a service provider, which was under the US law, and also points the challenge of at the rate India, Twitter Indias that were taking the operations in India. Nothing more needs to be read in it. Mr. Prasad's outburst is a pointer to the level of deterioration in the relationship between Twitter and the India government. Their already strained relationship has worsened further after Twitter's defiance in not accepting all of the government's takedown requests from time to time. The problematic new IT rules have also contributed to this unease, but then Twitter also has to share some blame. It has opened itself up to attacks from all sides because of its inability to pull down or label problematic content consistently. This only makes it look inefficient and cantankerous. Okay, see here the word cantankerous, it means bad-tempered complaining. Okay, bad-tempered or complaining. Okay, so this is our today's editorial page on What of Words. Thank you.